Okay folks, this is a 2016 GMC Terrain. It's only got 12,000 miles on it. Customer brought it in saying there was a horrible clunking noise while driving, so I drove it around parking lot speeds. You can kind of hear it a little bit. But I got it up on the lift now, and I just got the wheels spinning in the air to show you how this sounds. It sounds pretty bad. Around 40 miles an hour, it's pretty bad. You can actually feel it in the seat. So I'm gonna raise it up and see if I can figure out what this is. Alright, this is the rear drive shaft, as you can see. And the clunking noise is coming from right around here. It's not this actual bushing, but you can see it kind of bumping up a little bit every time you hear the noise. And it looks like they hit it on something. Looks like it was bottomed out there. You know, there's some scratches on the muffler as well. Some damage to the catalytic converter here. You can see that. I don't really see anything else up front. Nothing too visible anywhere. But definitely hit something here on the catalytic converter. And it scraped that up really good. You can see how that exhaust pipe has just been flattened out. And looking around the back, we got some scratches here. And we got a scratch there. And a little bit of a scratch here. But other than that, not too much. There's a little scratch there. And you can't really see any other damage on the vehicle besides that. So looks like we're probably going to need the drive shaft and the bearing here. So I'm gonna take it out of gear and see exactly what happened here. So here we go. Looks like whoever was driving this vehicle thought, oh, I got an all-wheel drive vehicle, I can go off-road. Well, wasn't the case with this thing. So you can see they hit the drive shaft, hit the exhaust pipe there, and bent that up and bent the hanger back there. So I don't want to take chances. As soon as you bend these drive shafts, not to mention it looks like the weight's about to come off, they just weaken. So I'm going to put a new drive shaft on it, and I believe this is all one piece actually, because I found a part number back here, and I looked on the front part of the drive shaft and there's no part number to be found. So I'm pretty sure this comes as one piece. That would make sense too, because they balance these out. I'm not sure if this comes separately or not, but that's gonna have to be replaced as well. It may come with the whole thing, which would make it really easy to fix. So there's a problem, and fix to this will be put a new catalytic converter in here, because that comes with that pipe, and then also replace the drive shaft. That should take care of it. The rest of the stuff, like little scratches on the muffler, not going to worry about. Not going to worry about that little bit there, because that is a fuel tank, but there's no damage to it other than a little shield. That's what the shield's there for. And it also protects it from heat too. So here we go. That's what this will be getting. If you hear that horrible clunking noise on your GMC Terrain and you've been off-roading, you might have this problem. Happens a lot, I would imagine. You know, people get these all-wheel drive vehicles and they think, oh, I can go off-road, you know, I'm all-wheel drive. Well, nope, sorry, you don't have the ground clearance of a pickup truck. Alright guys, there you go. Thought you'd be interested in that.